Hello and welcome to the another video of understanding the rich landing bundle. Today we're gonna understand how we can customize and style the quantity widget and the add to cart button. So let's go to the add to cart button first. So first of all, you can see here the add smart variant. So this is actually a smart variant selection option. When you click on the add to cart, this option will simply pop up on your screen, right? So let's go first with the other things. Okay, so for the add to cart button here, so we can change different things for here. For example, the color, background color. So you can go with the background, different background color of the add to cart button, right? So we can change the text color from here. You can change the text color from here. So let's do cross it. And let's go further down. You can see for the tag for the desktop, you can change the text position. It's bottom of the card. You can hover on the image. When you hover it, you will simply see it on here, show on the image, and custom position. So let's do bottom of the card. So let's come to the typography. You can see the font family is coming from the theme. You can change it from here as well. So this is the font sizing and the font weight and so on. And let's come further. You can see the text transform. You can also edit text from here, uppercase, lowercase, whichever you want. You can go from here. And sizing and spacing, you can do it full, or from here you can do it the fit content also, right? So you can do it left, you can do it to right, and you can do it center, and you can adjust it from here vertically and horizontally as well. And right, so for now I will, okay, let's go with it, right? Okay, so this is the border radius. You can set the border radius as well from here. So let's do it like this, and this is the border width. You can customize this accordingly. And if you want to add a border color, you can simply add it from here. So for now, we'll go with the transparent. So this is the show icon. If you uncheck it, this icon will gone simply, right? So from here, we need to show the icon, and you can also set the icon position is on the left. You can do it on the right as well, right? So hover effect left, you can add different hover effect right here. So we'll do it left, and let's do for mobile also. So mobile, let's do mobile here, and this is the 8 button. So here you can also customize things accordingly, right? So you can change the font style, font weight, letter spacing, and so on, right? So let's discuss the smart variant selection, right? And let's come back to the screen. Okay, so the smart variant selector, you can see the single variant product are added directly, multivariant products open quick view for the selector, right? So it's actually saying like if you have a single variant of any product, that it will show as it is, like this product, like this product have the multiple variants. That's why it's showing up in the form of pop-up. If I do it for this, see it like it's don't actually have the variant, that's why it's just adding this, right? So for the smart variant selector, you must have the variants for the product, right? So let's do it. So for this product, you can do multiple customization as well, right? For styling, you can simply double click on the image and you will land here. So you can also go to the quick view and you will see the customizer here as well. So here you can see the, for example, you can customize close icon. So this is the close icon. You can change its color, it's turning red. Let's cross it. Also, you can choose the background color for the close tab, and also you can uh, close hover background. You can also create a background hover for it as well, right? So let's further go down. You can also gallery invisibility. You can set a gallery background. It's a transparent. You can set the gallery color as well, right? So let's cross it. So also you can show the description. You can show or hide the description from here. Also they show the vendor as well. So let's come down to the model container. So it's a model container. You can, this is also, you can set the background for the model container. So yep. And the open animation, right? So these are different effects you can apply on it as well. Let's come down. Slider gallery, you can thumbnail position for the desktop. It's for currently it's for bottom. We can set it on the right. This is very unique feature. You can set it on the bottom. You can set on the left. So on bottom it's look more better, right? So arrow background color, you can also set the arrow background color from here. You can set the arrow background color here, and also arrow icon color as well. Also, let's come to the content color. For content, it's transparent. We can change it to red. We can change it to white. So let's cross it. This is the title color. We can change the title color as well, right? So there are a lot of things here you can see. You can change from the customizer. So the rich landing bundle is very rich in customization and styling. So there are a lot of things here, right? So for the button, you can see the background color for the button. So you can change it as well. And text colors, of course, you can also set the text color from here. And so this is model container. You can set the width of the container, and you can set the max width. This is very cool from the rich landing bundle. Border radius, you can set you can see the border radius part, right? And let's come down. This is the gallery width. You can see you can increase or decrease the gallery width. You can change the padding, right, as well, and the description. uh, it's because the description is very short. That's why the max height is not working. Anyways, this is the content uh, container. You can also change the inline padding, and for the block also. And for the product title, of course, it's spacing. This is very cool feature. Wow. And you can set the margin bottom. So this is the original. We can also set the original price. You can see, you can just change the size. You can create some layer spacing. You can change the font weight. You can set the margin bottom. That's cool. So also for the discount price as well. And this is for the discount page. This is the for discount page. You can also set this height, letter spacing, size, weight, margin bottom, padding. Wow. And the quantity widget is here. You can set the, so you can see the quantity widget. It's changing. You can also set the value font weight a bit more, right? So let's come down further. So this is the add to bundle button, right? So this is the add to bundle button. You can change the size, you can change the weight, spacing, radius, and width as well, right? So that's it for the quick view. Let's go back here and let's discuss the quantity widget, right? Let's discuss the quantity widget. So this is the border color of the quantity widget, right? Let me change the uh, it's not changing because we have uh, like the border style is none, so we have to choose a solid or something. For example, I'm setting a solid, so you can see the border color is showing here. So you can change it, you can make it blue, whatever you want, right? So for now I will just do it. So okay, so this is a background color, so you can change the background color as well. Let's come turn further down, like this is the text color, right? And icon color, and container border color. You can also set the container border color. Wait, let me do it solid, and then you can see the container border color here as well. This is the container background. You can set it accordingly, right? And let's come down. You can set the border radius of the and width. It's working. Yeah, it's working. Icon size, increase or decrease. You can set the button size as well. One increase it. Padding top. Yeah, padding bottom and padding left. You can see everything is working perfectly. So if you want to add a box shadow, you can add it from here. And the quantity value you can see here, you can also change the quantity value, one, right? And font weight, you can make it higher, or and this is the minimum width. You can set, I don't know, it's not working right now, so maybe from the setting we need to fix some settings for it. Anyways, let's come down. You can see the widget container. Also you can set it widget container. You can content fit, and you can align it left, align it right, align it center, and set the border radius. You can set the width, you can set the padding inline, padding block, cool, and the gap as well, right? So that's it from this video, and hope you have understand the things. If you have any issue or have any questions about it, you can simply let us know, or you can just comment us as well, and we will reach you back. Thank you so much. We'll catch you in another video. Thank you. Bye.